entirely what's happening. It's something past 12, so obviously we can't go out. But I've literally just heard that, and I'm not even filming on my camera, I'm filming on my phone. I got it quick. Police down there, as you can see. Let me get my camera, I'll put that there. Right, I'm not entirely sure what's happening. Obviously, I don't know if one's hit. I've not heard any explosions, but I just heard it and grabbed my phone, grabbed my camera's here. This is filming off my phone, this, but yeah, literally just heard it, not heard an explosion yet. I'm presuming that's police down there. I'm presuming that they're trying to intercept a missile or something like that. Still going though. That's a taxi, that. Interesting.